Hi kids! Today we will learn 2D shapes with a curved edge. Do you know what are curved edges? Have a look. Any edge which is not a straight line is a curved edge. See? Here are examples for you. Yes, you got it! Now, let's learn 2D shapes with a curved edge. Let's learn about a circle. I am a circle. I have only one curved edge, which is a round shape. I have no vertex. Do you have things in your house that resemble my shape? Try to remember. Yeah! These are a few things which have round or circle shape. Good. Now, let's learn another 2D figure with curved edge. Oval. I am an oval. I have only one curved edge in an oval shape and no vertex. Do you have things in your house that resemble my shape? Try to remember. Yeah. These are a few things which have oval shape. Good. Now, let's learn another 2D shape with a curved edge. Semicircle. I am a semicircle. I have two edges. One is the straight edge and other one is a curved edge. I have two vertices. Do you have things in your house that resemble my shape? Try to remember. Yeah. These are a few things that are semicircle in shape. Good. So what have we learned? We have learned that curved edge is an edge other than a straight edge. And circle, oval, and semicircle are a few examples of 2D shapes with a curved edge, as they have at least one curved edge. Very good! Now go ahead and take a quiz to see your progress. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!